Yo, so my friend brought this van to me because the injectors are bad on it, and he wanted me to just remove one injector. It was diagnosed previously as injector number 4. In order to change injector number 4, as a minimum, you're gonna have to time up the engine so that we can remove this rocker assembly. So the person before quoted him a replacement timing belt and water pump, as well as one injector, which I just think is stupid because look at all the work that's required to change the injector. But by the way, this thing that I'm touching here, that's the injector, right? So to get it out, you've got to take this thing off. Yeah, if I just unbolt this thing here, the timing will move, which means the timing will be out. So as a minimum, you want to be timing up the engine, and if you change one and you fix this car and it runs for a bit, more than likely, I reckon about 75% chance that it's gonna have another injector go down. So I'm trying to tell him it's best he changes all 4 injectors. Now, to refurbish all 4 injectors is £800. Yeah, so £800 and a replacement timing belt kit with the labour of £400. You're looking at £1,200 already on a van. This is 2008, so it's worth 2.5 grand. 3 grand. Well, in this condition, probably worth 1,500 quid. So, yeah, it's a dead car. It's a dead van, and this is how vehicles die. Yeah.